Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. It is 5 looks, 1 single shadow video today. I filmed my BYOP and then I went on Instagram and I actually asked you guys what shade you'd like to see for an upcoming 5 looks, 1 single video. You guys selected a doozy of a shade for me. This has really been something to test me, I will tell you that. So you guys actually ended up selecting this shade here. This is Clionadh Cosmetics shade Etched. This is from their Glitter Multichrome line. It is what I have on all over my mobile lid today, topped on top of a shade. I really sheared it out for this look today. But I will have the looks go up real quick so you can just kind of see what we're about to get up to in this video. I'm really excited about this. It was really out of my comfort zone. A shade like this is so out of my comfort zone. I don't often gravitate towards like blues too often. I'm not gonna lie, I really have not been wanting to wear this shade the past couple times. Whenever I film these looks, I always really like the look, how it turns out, but it's not what I've been wanting to reach for, if that makes sense. Let's just get into the 5 looks, 1 single using my Clionadh Cosmetic shade Etched. If you want to get in on the voting next time it happens, make sure you're following my Instagram. I feel like I have like so many caveats. So in this video, I am using the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer to prep my eyes for every single look that you're seeing. You'll have to let me know if you think that these looks look a little different, which one is inspiring you. Anyway, tangent aside, let's get into a very quick 5 looks, 1 single. But that is it for the 5 looks, 1 single. Let me know what look was your favorite out of the bunch. I really like this one as like a soft eye look, but I definitely think the lower lash line smoked out with blue is my personal favorite look that I created this go around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for staying tuned in Single Shadow Week. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the content this week. Let me know any other Single Shadow content that you would like to see over on this channel for future Single Shadow Week or my Single Shadow Saturday videos. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!